So after 50 minutes, our banana bread is already fully baked. Ito po. So, i-suggest ko lang na we will let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. Hi guys! Welcome to my another vlog. It's been a while since I shared to you a recipe, no? So now I decided to share to you a banana bread recipe, which is, I think, this is an all-time favorite ng mga Pilipino. Okay? But this time po, you don't need to use a traditional oven, but all you need to do is the turbo broiler that you have. With that, we can be able to bake a banana bread. Okay? So, napaka-konti lang po ng mga ingredients at available po kahit saan. So, samahan niyo po ako on my preparation until the baking process, until I can present to you the final product. Okay? Let's go! And let's start. I hope you will enjoy this video. So, first, we need to mix the dry ingredients. We will start by preparing 1 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. Then, after that, we will mix 1 cup white sugar. Then, we have 1 teaspoon salt. And finally, 1 teaspoon baking soda. Then, we will just mix it thoroughly po. So, after po mahalo natin ng mabuti ang mga dry ingredients, then, we will mix na po yung ating 2 pieces raw eggs. Then, yung ating 1 cup mashed bananas. Okay? So, we prefer po yung lakatan na banana. And overripe din po, the better. Kasi if overripe, mas maganda ang texture at of course, mas matamis. Then, 1/2 cup cooking oil. And finally po, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Then, we will just mix it thoroughly together sa yung ating hinalong mga dry ingredients kanina. Once mahalo na po nating mabuti, ito na po. Then, we are ready na po to pour this thing into our slightly greased loaf pan. Ito po. Okay? So, ipo-pour na po natin dito. At least 3/4 filled ang ating loaf pan kasi aangat pa siya mamaya. So now, ready na po siyang i-bake sa ating turbo broiler. So once ready na po ang ating mixture, we will place the loaf pan sa loob ng ating preheated turbo broiler. So basically, ang ating temperature na kaset is 175 degrees for 50 minutes. Again, make sure po na preheat natin to around 10 to 15 minutes. So after 50 minutes, our banana bread is already fully baked. Ito po. So, i-suggest ko lang na we will let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then, later, when it's cool na, then we can start to slice according to our preference. And, ready to serve na po. Okay, so I hope this recipe is easy for you to follow. And thank you very much for watching this video. And see you on my next vlog. Bye!